And that is how we can hit some pretty good golf shots. So in P1, when we're talking about setup, can we use setup to help us manipulate what we want to do with the golf ball as far as curvature goes? My answer to that is absolutely. So for example, if I come in here and I want to hit a draw, one of the things that I will use to really help myself with that is I'll use my feet line, setting them up slightly closed or to the right for a right-handed golfer, so I know the direction I want to swing this club. Even though this is my target line, I'm going to want to start the ball right of that, so I'll point my feet in that direction. Here's the big kicker to it though. I don't want your entire hip structure, shoulder structure, knees and feet going that direction. The biggest thing I want to see when you're using body lines at P1 to help yourself curve the golf ball is use your feet as a good reference point. So if I came in here and I'm hitting a draw, I'll set my face up here, I get fairly neutral, and then I'll slowly start to move my trail leg back as I move my lead foot forward. So I'll be in here. So now I've got a direction that I can swing in to out to produce a draw. So here's a good example of it. I'm right here. Here's my feet. I'm going to start it in between this bag and the stick, and we're going to draw it back to that flag. Okay, so like that, we saw that ball start out to the right, and I used my feet as a really good visual to help me move the golf ball the direction I want. Now, if I want to do it the opposite direction and I'd like to hit a fade, I'm going to start my golf ball on my target line again. Now, instead of my feet being closed, I'm going to come in here, point the face there, and now I'll start to inch my trail leg forward and I'll start to move my lead foot backwards more. So now I have a reference point to swing more left and across my body if you're a right-handed player. So I'll demonstrate one of those. I'm here, I'm set up neutral, pretty square. Now I'll start to adjust my feet in this manner. And now I've got a great visual aid with my feet to swing more left. So we'll give it a go right here. So that is one of the ways that you can use your setup at P1 to help manipulate ball flight. Later on, we'll go into more details of it, but that's how we're going to finish off what we can do at P1.